Hello and welcome to a FinanceBoards tutorial. What we'll be going over in this tutorial are the first questions new FinanceBoards users might ask, including what is a dashboard, what is a widget, and what can we do with these amazing dashboards and widgets. By the way, everything we're going to go over in this tutorial is completely free. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about what FinanceBoards is. FinanceBoards is a stock investing dashboard-based platform. Each FinanceBoards user can fully customize their dashboards with stock-related widgets. Currently, FinanceBoards has around 500 widgets, but users can create and even publish new widgets too. Our widgets aren't limited to specific categories of information, so you can have widgets about company financials, technical charts, analyst information, social data such as stock twit sentiment, and more. Now, let's take a look at a widget. So here we have one widget. It's a technical chart, and you can see we can zoom in and out to display different dates. We can see on the left there are a bunch of functions that we can play with however we like. Here we have an analyst estimates widget, which will display the sentiment of different analysts towards a specific stock, their price targets over 1 year, and the amount of analysts that are covering that specific stock. Widgets such as these are customizable in a few different ways. For one, you can make them display general information or stock-specific information. In this case, you can just type a stock's ticker up here, and then that widget will update to display information for that stock. So, if we want to search for Tesla, we can either type in the name Tesla or its ticker. And once we click enter, this widget will update with information for Tesla. You can also resize widgets, and you'll do that by clicking and dragging from the bottom right of one. So if we wanted to make this technical chart a little bit bigger, we can do that. We can also move widgets around, and you do that by clicking near the top of a widget, so anywhere here, and dragging around. So you can move this widget, let's say, up, down, left, right. We can do that. We can bring another widget in its place if we wanted. We can do that too. You can also change their color, and you do that by hovering your cursor over this square here. And then you'd select the icon, change background color. And from here we can change this widget to whatever color we like. So let's say deep purple. You can hover over the exact same button and click Remove Widget to remove this widget. Ta-da! To add a widget to your dashboard, you'd click on the Widgets menu here. Then you'd type in either a category, such as fundamentals, options, analysts, etc., or you can type in a specific name, such as something like a balance sheet. So if we wanted to see a balance sheet, we can type in balance sheet. And a bunch of balance sheet widgets would pop up. Alright, so let's add this balance sheet annual chart here. So we've selected it, and now to add it to our dashboard, we just click Add Selected down here. And now, here's our balance sheet. And let's move it back over here. Alright, so from here, we can save our dashboard. And we do that by going to the bottom right and clicking Save Dashboard. That way, you can come back later at any time, and your dashboard will be the exact same way you left it. To do this, you would need to register for a free account. The goal of having dashboards be customizable like this is that users really can display only relevant information to them. You could think of it as a more customizable financial terminal, where users don't have to work around pieces of the terminal that they don't care for. Let's talk a little bit more about dashboards. Naturally, some people would want multiple dashboards, perhaps having one each for different categories of information. So having one that would display financial widgets, one that would display technical widgets, etc. So FinanceBoards lets users have as many dashboards as they like. FinanceBoards has already created commonly used default dashboards, which users can use as starting points to customize. To access some of them, users can click the red icon up here on the left, and this will open the dashboard menu. From here, users can click on any dashboard to access it. So let's click on the technical dashboard and see what it has. You can see that not all dashboards are here on display. And that's because you can choose what dashboards are important enough to keep on this menu, so you're not flooded with too much irrelevant information. Let's now go over how you can customize what dashboards appear here. To do that, you'll first need to click on this Configure tab, and then you'll be taken to another page. On this page, on the left column, you'll see all the dashboards that'll appear in your menu. In the middle column, you'll see those dashboards that you've created that aren't on your menu. And here on the right, you'll see the dashboards that FinanceBoards has created that are not on the menu. To move a dashboard to your menu, you'll just drag it into whatever position you want it to appear on. So if you want to, let's say, add this general info dashboard, we'd just drag it and then drop it wherever we want it to appear. So if we want it to appear first, we'd drop it here. Alright, so let's click Save Configuration down here. And once we're taken back to the dashboards, we'll see our general info dashboard that we just added is over here. And just like all other dashboards, you can edit this and save it again, however you like. If you want to be able to create your own dashboards and clone and edit existing ones, we'll have another video on that very soon. But for now, just know that you'll do that through the Dashboards button up there. And this, more or less, was all we'll be going over in this video. We hope you've seen that FinanceBoards is the most customizable, yet advanced stock research platform out there. Again, keep in mind that customizable and advanced are not two words that always go hand in hand. On top of that, FinanceBoards is completely free to use. And thank you for watching.